Sparkling windows can transform your space, but achieving that shine is no easy feat. Climbing ladders, reaching awkward angles, and scrubbing away grime can turn window cleaning into a daunting chore. Also, hiring professionals can drain your wallet fast. Enter window cleaning robots, a game-changing innovation that takes the hassle out of keeping your windows spotless. Equipped with advanced suction or magnetic systems, these robots glide effortlessly over glass, scrubbing away dirt and leaving a streak-free finish. Whether you're dealing with towering windows or hard-to-reach corners, these devices offer a safe, efficient, and cost-effective solution. In this video, we'll unveil the best window cleaning robots on the market to help you achieve sparkling results with just the push of a button. You can find the prices for all these products linked in the description below. Let's start. Number 5. AlfaBot X8. Starting at number 5, we have the AlfaBot X8 window cleaning robot, which is a game changer for maintaining spotless glass surfaces. Its automated cleaning paths efficiently glide across windows, delivering streak-free results with minimal effort. This feature significantly reduces the time and labor traditionally associated with window cleaning. One of the standout attributes is the dual water spray system, which adjusts to the robot's movement direction, ensuring optimal use of the cleaning solution while providing a consistent finish. The visible 50 milliliter water tank is a thoughtful addition, allowing you to monitor the fluid levels easily. The AlfaBot X8's versatility shines through its ability to clean both framed and frameless windows, as well as indoor mirrors. Its AI-powered suction, which adjusts between 2600 to 2800 pascals based on the surface, tackles various stains effectively. Additionally, the intelligent frame detection feature ensures it adapts seamlessly to different types of glass surfaces. However, the robot's performance around corners and edges could use some improvement, as these areas may require manual touch-ups. The water spray system, while efficient, occasionally dispenses more fluid than necessary, which might require user oversight. The AlfaBot X8 includes a user-friendly voice assistant for straightforward operation and troubleshooting, but the initial setup and learning process might take some time. For those new to robotic window cleaners, patience is key. With upgraded cleaning pads and 3 automatic modes, along with manual spot cleaning options, the AlfaBot X8 provides an innovative and efficient solution for window cleaning. Despite minor drawbacks, it's an excellent tool for anyone looking to save time and energy while achieving sparkling clean windows. Number 4. SUNSMAI Window Cleaner Robot. Ranked as 4th, the SUNSMAI window cleaning robot is a cutting-edge solution for hassle-free cleaning of windows, mirrors, and other smooth surfaces. Its standout feature is the double spiral cleaning head equipped with microfiber cloths, ensuring a streak-free and scratch-free finish. Whether it's your home, office, or high-rise windows, this robot gets the job done efficiently and effectively. With a robust suction power of 2500 pascals, this robot adheres firmly to surfaces, eliminating the risk of falls. The built-in UPS, uninterruptible power supply, is a smart addition, allowing up to 30 minutes of operation during power outages, adding an extra layer of safety. It's a must-have for those concerned about cleaning hard-to-reach areas. The intelligent water spraying system is another feature that elevates this device. The 50 milliliter water tank and controlled spraying deliver optimal cleaning with a coverage speed of 4 minutes per square meter. Paired with its safety rope capable of supporting up to 150 kilograms, this robot offers peace of mind, especially for high-rise window cleaning. Convenience takes center stage with the smart remote control and app compatibility. The robot offers 3 automatic modes and manual control, adapting seamlessly to your cleaning needs. Its obstacle detection ensures smooth navigation, though it's important to note that it's unsuitable for frameless windows. SUNSMAI backs this product with excellent customer service, making it a reliable choice for maintaining spotless windows without the hassle. For anyone looking to save time and effort, the SUNSMAI window cleaning robot is a worthwhile investment. Number 3. HUTT W8 Window Cleaner Robot. Up next is the HUTT W8 Window Cleaner Robot, combining smart technology and powerful performance to deliver an effortless cleaning experience for windows and other smooth vertical surfaces. Its standout feature is the self-regulating suction power, ranging from 1800 to an impressive 3800 pascals. Powered by the HUTT Think AI algorithm, this suction adjusts based on dirt levels, ensuring a secure hold and scratch-free results. Equipped with an 80 ml dual spray system, the HUTT W8 excels in wet wiping. The dual spray nozzles evenly distribute water over a wide area, leaving your windows spotless and streak-free. Its efficient cleaning paths, S-shaped, N-shaped, and spot wiping mode offer flexibility to tackle both everyday grime and stubborn spots with ease. Navigating obstacles and edges is seamless, thanks to its ultra-advanced laser edge detection technology. The robot can effortlessly maneuver around frames and other obstacles while planning the most efficient route for thorough cleaning. Operating the HUTT W8 is straightforward, with its one-key operation and intuitive voice prompts. For heavily soiled windows, the dry wiping mode followed by wet wiping ensures optimal results. The thoughtful design is tailored for vertical, smooth surfaces, measuring 24 inches to 15 feet, provided they have right-angled frames thicker than 6 millimeters. The HUTT W8 is perfect for those looking for a smarter way to clean. Its innovative features, combined with user-friendly controls, make it an ideal choice for high-rise windows or challenging surfaces. With its ability to adapt to various cleaning needs, the HUTT W8 is a game-changer in window maintenance. Number 2. ECOVACS Winbot W1 Pro. The ECOVACS Winbot W1 Pro is one of the finest window cleaning robots available, designed to deliver a seamless and efficient cleaning experience. With its impressive 2800 Pascal suction power, this device securely attaches to glass surfaces, eliminating the hassle and risks of manual window cleaning, especially at heights. What sets the Winbot W1 Pro apart is its innovative crosswater spray technology. This dual-direction spray system maintains a consistently damp cleaning surface, effortlessly dissolving stubborn stains for a spotless finish. The 60 ml water reservoir ensures extended cleaning sessions without frequent refills, making it highly efficient for large windows. Safety is a key focus, with an internal drive system that prevents slippage and ensures steady movement, even during power outages. Built with high-quality materials and precise gravity settings, it provides unmatched security. The high-precision coupling sensor detects edges within 0.02 seconds, enabling the robot to clean frameless glass with ease. Powered by WinSlam 3.0, the Winbot offers 3 adaptive cleaning modes: quick cleaning for everyday maintenance, deep cleaning for thorough results, and spot stain removal for tough marks. Its intelligent position memory ensures that the robot returns to its starting point after completing its job, making it convenient for large, hard-to-reach windows. With its sleek design and cutting-edge features, the ECOVACS Winbot W1 Pro redefines modern window cleaning. It's a time-saving, safe, and effective solution for anyone looking to maintain sparkling windows without the stress of manual labor. As one of the best window cleaning robots available, it's an invaluable tool for achieving radiant, streak-free results. Number 1. ECOVACS Winbot W2 Omni. The ECOVACS Winbot W2 Omni is widely regarded as the best window cleaning robot, combining advanced technology with ease of use for a seamless cleaning experience. This device transforms the tedious task of window cleaning into an effortless process, delivering streak-free results in minutes. When we tested it on our floor-to-ceiling apartment windows, it effortlessly removed layers of yellow pollen, leaving the glass spotless with minimal effort on our part. Also, the Winbot W2 Omni has an intelligent cleaning system. It systematically covers an entire window pane, using precise water sprays from its nozzles as it ascends and descends. Once it completes its job, it conveniently returns to its starting point. Watching the robot at work is surprisingly satisfying, as it efficiently navigates and cleans every edge. Setting up the Winbot W2 Omni is refreshingly simple. You dampen the mop pad, fill the reservoir, and place the device against the window. The robot securely suctions itself to the surface and provides an auditory notification when ready. From there, it handles everything, detecting edges and cleaning with customizable settings. You can control cleaning directions, cycles, and more using the intuitive station panel or the ECOVACS Home app. Powered by a brushless motor and WinSlam 4.0 intelligent planning, the Winbot boasts a 30% increase in cleaning efficiency. Its precision edge detection, smooth turning, and meticulous attention to detail leave every window spotless. With 5 cleaning modes to suit various needs and a 110-minute runtime on a single charge, it covers up to 55 square meters effortlessly. For anyone seeking a reliable, high-performing window cleaner, The ECOVACS Winbot W2 Omni is an unbeatable choice, offering cutting-edge innovation, superior cleaning, and a truly futuristic home experience. The world of window cleaning has been revolutionized by these advanced robots, each offering unique features designed to make your life easier. From powerful suction to intelligent navigation systems, these devices ensure spotless, streak-free windows with minimal effort on your part. They not only save time, but also reduce the risks associated with cleaning high or hard-to-reach windows. Whether you prioritize versatility, ease of use, or cutting-edge technology, there's a perfect option for every home and cleaning need. If you're ready to upgrade your cleaning routine and experience the convenience of a smarter home, explore the options we've reviewed today. Check the links in the description below for more details and the best deals.